Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to install Jenkins software in Mac operating system. You can do same process of Windows and Linux operating system. Question comes in your mind why you are using Jenkins software, because of the software are supportable for the third-party application for your programming language. So that point of view, the software is much useful for the developer, especially on machine learning and deep learning. So in this video, I will provide you small demonstration how to install Jenkins software in your Mac operating system. So let's start this demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. You just type here Jenkins, enter, and look at this link jenkins.ios. you click here. Some basic informations are available here. The Jenkins is leading open source automation of a server. Jenkins provide hundreds of plugin support to building, developing, automating any project. So here is the documentation. You can read some basic informations here. And second option is download. So I click the download here, and this is how to download the software for the different operating system or Docker, Ubuntu, Kubernetes, Windows, macOS, or some basic versions are available like a 2.289.3, 2.3. So we can install this one or this one. So I just install as a latest version macOS installer Jenkins weekly. So here some simple commands are available. I am providing these commands in video description. Just simply copy this one and open your terminal and type here brew install Jenkins, enter, and the installation ongoing in my Mac operating system. And now the software are installed in my root directory, but you can install the software specific Conda environment also. So that perspective you can delete very easily and then use the Jenkins software. That one is amazing. Wait couple of seconds for the installation perspective, and up to 1 or 2 minutes installation process is almost done, and you can use the software features of third-party software and development perspective. It's quite simple to install Jenkins software in your Mac operating system. You can do same process of Windows and Linux also. It's simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.